Customers are not looking to buy new generators right now. They want to fix what they got. We feel like at Power Plus that we're going to try our best efforts to get the customer satisfied rather than going, hey, we're just going to sell you something. So that's been our motto from the beginning, is customer service. Enjoying parts diagrams and then breaking things down in my head rather than just going by what they're requesting. I'm teaching the team too to look at everything as in full picture. So they're not just parts guys, they're becoming technically minded parts guys. That's pretty much why I do it, because I just love the challenge. It feels like hitting a checker flag when you find something that's not easy to find.